Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two proven ways you can earn money from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in Lagos, Nigeria, Nairobi, Johannesburg, or beyond, using Course Hero. I'll break it down step by step, so by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started, what you can earn, and how to make this work for you no matter where you live. Before we start, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to comment on your location so that I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Let's begin. The first and most popular way to earn with Course Hero is by becoming an online tutor. Now, don't worry. You don't need a classroom. You don't need to record videos, and you don't even need to work at a fixed time. You simply answer students' academic questions online and get paid for it. Here is how to get started. Step 1. Apply on the Course Hero website to become a tutor. You will need to provide a valid ID and prove that you're knowledgeable in your subject area. This could be a degree certificate, a transcript from your school, or other supporting documents. 2. Once approved, you can choose up to 5 subjects you're confident in, such as mathematics, business, accounting, computer science, or biology. Log in at any time and answer questions from students around the world. Each question you answer earns you money. You earn per question, no set as, global students. Most tutors earn around $3 to $15 per answer, depending on the subject and complexity. Consistent, high-quality tutors can make up to $1,500 or more per month. What's amazing about this is that you get paid in US dollars, which can be a strong advantage if you live in a country with a weaker local currency. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can withdraw to your bank account from there. So getting a PayPal account is necessary, or getting someone who owns a PayPal account is necessary. Now, be aware, success comes with consistency, like I always say on this channel. The more questions you answer and the higher your rating from students, the more you will earn. The second method is, so head over to coursehero.com/tutor and sign up. So you click on this apply button to apply for this. Leverage your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 20 million students. You can make up to $1,500 plus per month. As a tutor with Course Hero, you can make extra money, work when you want, help students study and learn. Applying to be a tutor is easy. You join a global community of thousands of tutors helping students learn every day. So it is very easy to sign up, create your account, create your Course Hero tutor account, provide basic info and select your tutoring subjects, upload your ID and academic credentials, get approved within 7 days and start tutoring. They have subjects like nursing, computer science, statistics, and probability. So if you're a teacher in secondary school, in the university, you can earn money by teaching students all over the world on Course Hero. So click on create a tutor account. It takes you to this page where you put your email address, your username, a password, and sign up as a tutor. Then after that page, you get to where you're going to put your basic info and select the subjects that you want to teach. Then upload your IDs, maybe your international passport and all of that, and wait for 7 days to be approved. Once you're approved, you start teaching and start earning. The second method is something many people overlook: Course Hero's affiliate program. This is perfect if you're a content creator, blogger, influencer, or even if you just have an active social media presence, be it on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, and YouTube. And here is how it works. You sign up for their affiliate program through a platform like Impact. You receive a special link or banner that you can share online on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even in blog posts. Every time someone clicks your link and subscribes to Course Hero, you earn a commission, typically around 15% per subscription. Let's put that into perspective. If a subscription costs $50, your commission could be $7.50. If 100 people sign up through your link in a month, that's $750 in affiliate income without answering a single question yourself. The best part, you can promote Course Hero to students worldwide, whether they are in the US, the UK, Africa, or Asia, as long as they need academic support. To succeed, combine your affiliate link with helpful content. Study tips videos on YouTube, university survival guides on Instagram, blog post about exam preparation, When people see value in your content, they are more likely to trust your recommendations and click your link. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You can combine both methods to maximize your income. Start as a tutor to build credibility and gain real experience on the platform. Share your journey, your earnings, your tips, your success stories on social media or in videos. Then include your affiliate link in your posts. People will see your results, trust your advice, and be more likely to sign up through you. This way, you earn both from tutoring and from affiliate commissions, creating multiple income streams from one platform. So instead of sitting and complaining about not having money in your bank account, start today. If you cannot tutor, you can start with the affiliate marketing. And there you have it. Two professional, flexible, and completely online ways to earn money from anywhere in the world using Course Hero. Become a tutor and get paid to help students succeed. Promote as an affiliate and earn commissions when people subscribe. You can start with one method or combine both for even greater results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more work from anywhere opportunities, and share this video with a friend who could use a little extra income. And tell me in the comments, would you start with tutoring, affiliate marketing, or both? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.